Wired Equivalent Privacy, which in short is WEP, is a security protocol specified in the IEEE Wireless Fidelity Standard 802.11b. The standard is designed to provide a wireless local area network, means WLAN, with a level of security and privacy comparable to what is usually expected on a wired LAN. The WEP protocol was introduced in 1997 but was plagued by several security issues. Standard body began discouraging its use in the early 2000s as more effective standards were introduced. WEP attempted to limit the access to wireless network data in the same way that wired local network protect the data. Users with physical access to the network access point are the only one with a access with the wired network. So wireless network like Wi-Fi depend on encryption protocol like WEP to prevent unauthorized access to network data. So let's talk about WEP cracking. In order to crack WEP, we first need to capture with large number of packets. That means we can capture a large number of IVs. Once we have done that, we will use a tool called AirCrackNG. This tool will be available to use an statistical attack to determine the key stream and WEP key to all the target. You can use this tool on Kali Linux or any Linux distributor. It's a built-in tool, so you don't need to do anything. Just install Kali Linux and open terminal and just follow the process. This method is going to be better than what we have more for 2 packets, and our chances of breaking the key will be much higher. So let's look at the most basic case of cracking a WEP key. To do this, we will set Wi-Fi card in a monitor mode. After this, we will run a command, this command, arrow_dump_ng. This is the our local network. So it will vary from machine to machine. It will vary, as you can see, this is WLAN 0. Maybe in your machine it will be WLAN 1 or LAN 1, LAN 0. So make sure you check your own machine's one. So just run this command to see all the network data within our Wi-Fi range, and then we will target one of those networks. When one LAN stands for the interface, the following output will be displayed by executing this command. So in this, the 4th network has come up with a Java T point on network. So this one, as you can see, WEP. So on this network, we are going to perform our attack, and we are going to run arrow dump against Java T point network by using the command like this command. So here we run arrow_dump_ng against the Java T network with a BSS ID, which is this, as you can see, BSS ID, this one. So this is the BSS ID, and we have included this minus channel number 11, and we add write to store all the packet that we capture into a file, which is WEP. After running the command, the following output will be like this. So this is a busy network data, and the data shows the number of useful packet that contains in a difficult IV, in different IV, and we can use it to crack the key. If the number is higher, then it is more likely to crack the key for us. So in this scenario, so we can see the client. As you can see, we can see the client all in here. So now we'll use just list, as we all know, just ls, type ls to list all of those. So we can see that we have a capture file, CSV file, that was specified in the write argument. Now we will launch AirCrackNG against the file that arrow_dump has created for us. So we can launch AirCrack against it even if we didn't stop AirDump. So it will continue be running, and we will also working on AirDump, and our AirCrackNG will still be running in background. So it will keep reading the new package that arrow_dump is capturing. So what you have to do now is use this command, AirCrackNG WEP. This is the saved file, So we are going to use this file to air crack. So make sure you open it in a new terminal, because we have to use this arrow dump on, which is continue to track the traffic. So make sure you use the new terminal to use this command and press enter. So when we use aircrack-ng, we will put the file name, which is the file name is the web02.cap. So if aircrack fails to determine the key, aircrack's waited until it reaches 5000 IVs and then tries again. So the thing is, you have to be patient. And WEP cracking or WPA or PA2, you in this cracking method, it's gonna take some time, hours and hours. So make sure you just be patient and just wait for the cracking to end. So we have to wait until the aircrack can successfully crack the WEP key. So once we decrypt the key, we can just press Ctrl C to cancel the running window, because unless it will continue to crack, continue to running, continue to track the packets and etc. So just press Ctrl C to cancel the data pack. So as you can see in this final picture, aircrack has successfully managed to get the key within these data packets. So we can see that the key is found. So we can connect to the target network, which is Java T point. As you can see, Java T point, your key is 12345. So we just need to copy the 12345 and paste it to connect to the Java T point. You can also connect using the key, which is like this one. This is the key. So in some cases we are not able to see the ASCII password. So many cases you will not see this, you will only see this. So at that time we can use key to connect the network. So do this, just copy this and remove the colon between the number, and just using 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 key, and you can connect to the Java T point. And that's all. Very easy to crack WEP cracking. That's why it's not recommended for many years previously, because it's too easy to crack the system that provided the WEP cracking. So that's how you do it.